So summer is synonymous with vacations and staycations, and if you live in Jamaica, it is all year. And in the fashion industry, resort wear is big business. And the owner of Thaelia McZenna Designs, what a nice name, and her name is Thaelia McZenna. She's a local designer who wants to capitalize on the niche market. Morning, welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Good morning.
Wagwan.
I am fine, Evo.
All is well?
Yes, all is well.
Before I go to even this, you're a valuation surveyor by profession. What?
Yes, I am.
Who is a valuation surveyor?
A valuation, simply put, a valuation surveyor is an individual that values properties.
Okay.
So I've been in this profession for about 17 years now. So this is my full-time profession.
So if I want to sell my house or car, you tell me
You
how much
can,
it
I'll
worth?
assess it for
Fantastic. It help with the design?
you. Somewhat. I do get clients based on...
Because, well, that's
yes.
not how I meant if it help with the designs.
Yeah.
So where this designing thing come from now? When you start?
I started off since conception because I believe that this is a gift. I'm a third generation of seamstress.
Okay.
So I started very young, but I really took on this full-time at around age 14 when I realized that my mother wasn't in Jamaica at the time and I had nothing to wear. So I just started going around her machine, starting to...
At 14 years old?
At 14 years old. So I started to learn to string the machine, and then I used the different fabrics that she had, mix with them, play with them, and...
Yeah. This is a question I normally ask an artist, and I say, if nobody never hear you yet, tell me what style you have. So if nobody never see your clothes yet, and them just say, what kind of designer are you? What would you say?
It will be more of eccentric mixed with a little bit of resort wear. I also like to do formal attire as well.
Okay.
But I really love resort wear.
Okay, you only do female stuff?
I do male as well, and I know you were going to come and
ask me
about the male, but
so you know
maybe
the
another
interview
time.
done because she not bring nothing for me. Goodbye. When I look on her, when I see her again.
I will return. I will return.
Let's start over there. Explain and tell me where you wear it and everything.
Well, all of as you see, all of this is the resort.
Yeah.
So if you're going on a vacation, you're going to spend holidays overseas, any hotel, this is the type of attire. This is a palazzo pants.
Palazzo pants.
Palazzo pants with a cover-up.
So when you say resort wear, so if me I go to a party, me can't wear it. Not me, but my lady can wear that if she going to a party?
Yes, you can, but it's more suited for that because of the type of...
the resort wear, it would be what?
Yes.
For dinner, for what?
For dinner, for any party at the resort,
Yeah.
yes.
All right. I don't want you move and I don't want you to touch this one yet. I'm going to leave this one for last. Tell me about this fellow here now.
Well,
it's not a fellow, it's a lady. Tell me
this
about
piece, this is also a cover-up as well. This can be worn to like a garden party.
Okay.
Any event you have suited towards fashion.
Beautiful.
And that's a little simple dress that can be also worn to any event.
Yeah, do you...
All white party.
Your stuff is the neckwear too, is your stuff? Or?
No, not the neckwear. No.
Let's go. Tell me about this one, because I know you have like a surprise for people, you know.
Well, this piece, I did this piece specifically for my stepmom. It's very dear to me. And I used applique, I used fabric, and then I used pearls on it as well and created this applique.
Don't blow anything yet. You said you're stepmom,
Yeah.
and I can understand that it is special, but is it just the fact that it's because you're making it for your stepmom why it's special, or there's something special about it?
Special because it's my stepmom.
Okay, all right.
She supports me well.
Yeah, man. What else you want to show us about this?
And also I have this piece.
The big reveal.
That you can convert.
The big reveal.
Yes.
Yeah. But this is something totally different, or this is part of that?
No, this is totally different.
Okay.
This is totally different. I ran out of mannequins.
Okay, so hold up that one. So that in itself is
It's a dress by itself.
Just
This is a kaftan.
We call it kaftan.
Kaftan, yes.
Yeah, all right. Hold it up.
So it's
yeah,
just
man,
a
that's
throw
nice.
over.
Yeah, man, that's very nice. Like that.
On the go.
Yeah, man. And then this
And
lady
then
here now.
this again, you can wear this to and a party as well.
So this is not resort?
It can be, but it's more geared to a party.
Okay.
The reveal. And
So I say a lot of long...
flowy.
Yeah.
That's my style. I like covered pieces. And
Why?
I think it gives you a classy look. And most of my clients, they do tend to like those type of styles as well. Flowy, long.
So I leave the show this morning and I tell somebody, and I said, boy, Thaelia, really make some nice pieces, and then the person says, so why should I buy her stuff as opposed to somebody else's stuff? What I must tell them when they ask me that?
My pieces are very unique, and I tend to realize that my clients, they like to be different. Whenever I create a piece, it stands out, and they love when they are the only one wearing that.
Okay, so you just make one of this and one of that. You don't
most
ever...
of the time, it's maybe one or two pieces.
So when you say most of the other time is what, 10 and 20?
That's when I'm doing like bulk orders.
Okay. Where you sell your stuff?
Well, I do not have a shop front at the moment, so I operate from home. So you can contact me at 876-880-5912.
And what are your handles? That's how you call it? No handle there?
Thaelia McZenna Designs. I'm on Instagram.
Thaelia, I love your name still.
It's lovely. One in the island.
One in the
Nobody
island.
else in the world. Nobody else in the world has that name.
Oh, I ask you your middle name.
Simone.
That is about 73 in the island. So.
Simone. Simone is my middle name.
Eh?
Simone is my middle name.
Samarone, the great Samarone. I like the difference in the stuff.
Yes, thank you.
And I think people watching this morning would want to get in touch with you. Kind of little annoyed. Because I still look for some little shirt for me somewhere around
soon, never.
the back hand.
Soon and very soon.
I have a little move to make later on. I want to sort out myself.
Yes.
So I say, good to see you. Really great to meet you.
Thank you, Neville.
And I like your stuff, so I pray that it will work for you.
It will.
Hold on, is the surveyor is a full-time or this is a full-time?
No, well, I work as a surveyor from 9 to 5.
Okay.
And a fashion designer from 5 to 9.
And then you sleep
So no
from
rest.
9 to 5. Right?
Yes.
So you work from 9 to 5.
And I sew from 5
to 9, and then you sleep from 9 to 5. It's not a problem. Her name is Thaelia McZenna, and it's Thaelia McZenna Designs. All right, so something to smile about. We don't do that a while ago. All right, so we are bouncing into something to smile about when we get back from the break. I'm up to Shana, man.